Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making cheesy hash browns with sausage. This is a quick and easy casserole to prepare, and it takes just a few ingredients. So let's get started. Take 14 ounces of your favorite smoked sausage and cut it into 1/2 to 1 inch slices. Then in a skillet, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 chopped onion, and your sliced sausage. Cook this until your sausage is slightly browned and the onions are tender. Then remove from heat and set it aside. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And take a 9x13 pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray, and then set it aside. In a large bowl, add 20 ounces of frozen shredded hash browns, 1 cup of sour cream, 4 to 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, depending on how cheesy you like it, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and your sausage and onions. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Place the mixture into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Now bake this in the oven for about 40 minutes or until it's lightly browned. Then remove it from the oven and place it onto a wire rack. Let it cool for about 5 minutes before serving. And here it is, cheesy hash browns with sausage. This is great to take to potlucks or get-togethers, or to serve anytime. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.